Right, let's have a go. There's your shape. It's an S, but not as we know it. What we want to do is we want to project that profile onto a construction plane. So we'll create a construction plane. We'll say from the bottom we want the construction plane to be, I don't know, 50 mil. Yep, okay, so it's going to put it about there. Okay, we'll now click on that, right click and say create sketch. Okay, and we now have, excuse the leather chair, we now have a construction plane and a sketch on the construction plane. What we want to do now is we want to project that profile onto the construction plane. So it is search, project to, project, geometry is selected, and we want to do an OK, and we'll do a finished sketch. And what we should have, you see, look, you've got this line that runs all the way around now, and it's effectively the profile from the base, and it's now up here on the construction plane. Construction plane's there. Okay, so now what we can do is we can click on that. So we can right click on that, and we can do an extrude. We can choose a shell extrude. We want to go up, we'll make it 3 millimeters high, and we'll make the wall thickness 3 millimeters, and then we click OK. Now what you'll see is it won't let me click OK because it doesn't like that profile. There's something about it, it just doesn't like it. It must be, it's not contiguous, there must be a gap somewhere. Anyway, that's what we want to do, but I couldn't do it. So just roll back, and we'll delete all features after the history mark. And what we want to do is delete that inner profile. So we just end up with the line on the outside, which is not very easy. You have to basically go around and delete the components that make up the inside. Now let's just stop that from there. Let's imagine we've done that. What we'll now do is we'll do another extrude. We'll go up 60 mil. Do is a shell extrude. We're going to make it 3 millimeters thick. Okay, so we've abandoned that inner edge that you had. We've just gone for the outer edge and we've extruded it up. So we'll go through the rest of the process the same as we did before. We'll create an offset plane and we'll put it on the axis there, and we'll go up 40 mil. Again, you can go in and change all these heights, it doesn't matter. Right click on the construction plane and do create sketch. What we want to do now is we want to zoom in and click on the profile, and then we do search, S for search, and type in project. Okay, and we basically just click OK and finish the sketch. And if we zoom in now, you can see, like I said before, it's brought the profile from below and put it up here, but this time it's a profile it's quite happy with. So if we now click on the surface, right click and do an extrude, we'll go across the shell extrude, distance we'll put in 3 mil, wall thickness, just going to have a think about it, wall thickness 3 mil. We don't want to cut, we want to do a join. Let's just thinking about it, come on, go. Okay, right, so what you've got is a little shelf. You see it? There it is. Which is what you wanted, isn't it? So what you need to do now is just play with the height that we did the extruder and the bit there where we did the plane, and then you can hopefully get it looking how you want. Okay, mate? Good luck.